Hello, this is Realty Rentals, and today we're going to show you how to submit a maintenance request. First, go to Billium and log into your resident portal with your username and password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can reach out to us and we will help you to reset your password so you can log in again. Once you're there, to the left of your screen, you can see all those options and you will click in Request Options. Here you can see all your pending requests or even for you to make a new one. Click on Request and then in Maintenance Request. Now, fill out the maintenance request form. Next, select a type of maintenance request. If you're not sure about it, you can just click in General. Under Subject, type a broad statement describing your request. Now in the description part, describe what's your maintenance request about so we can properly work on it. You can always take pictures of the issue and you can upload them so we can see them properly. In scheduling, you have to select if us Tik Realty are authorized to enter the property to us to send vendors or companies, and then press on Submit Request, and there you have your maintenance request created. We will always be sure for you to receive all the notifications of new updates about your maintenance request, but if you're not receiving it, you can always call back or text a message to our number or even to our email and we can reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.